especially if you try one of these recipes. Shout out to my daughter for having me make this video. I've been trying to get her to make Alfredo sauce forever, and she won't do it. She says it's way too hard and it probably takes too long. It doesn't at all. So I'm going to show you. So I'm going to first start out with what you need. Take a look. Get a rotisserie chicken, debone it, put it in a bowl. I got the Italian seasoning because that's really good. You're also going to need 2 cups or a pint of the heavy whipping cream, some minced garlic. If you want, you can mince the garlic, fresh garlic yourself, but I just buy this because we use a lot of garlic. I love garlic. Some pepper, Italian seasoning. You always have to have Italian seasoning. And some fettuccine, which is linguine. So you'll need a bag of that. I got a bag of grated Parmesan. You can grate it yourself. You can get a brick of it and grate it yourself. But I just got this because it's really easy. You'll need some butter. And this is my secret to making everything. If something calls for salt, I use this. It's delicious. So I'm sure you already know how to boil pasta. So I've already finished that. I have my pan here with the pasta, and I've already added the heavy whipping cream. This will go in the trash. So you're going to add a stick of butter. I've added some already. You're going to put your chicken in. I'm going to have 2 teaspoons of the minced garlic. If you don't really like garlic a whole lot, you can just improvise. A 1/2 teaspoon of your Italian seasoning. About a 1/4 teaspoon of pepper, but I'm just going to grind some in. A lot of times I eyeball my recipes. So your salt would be about a 1/2 teaspoon. I'm going to break this off. I put about this much of this vegetable bouillon in. I sprinkle it on the top. It'll work its way throughout. You don't need to worry about being exact when you're cooking. Put in more of what you like and less of what you don't. And that way, it's your own recipe. Okay. Then you want roughly 2 cups of Parmesan cheese. You put in the amount that you want. And it's not Italian if you don't have olive oil in it. Drizzle some olive oil, stir that up, and guess what? You're done. You've got your chicken Alfredo. And you have an entire meal for your family, or a lot of Alfredo to put in your freezer. Lots of meals to take to work with you. It's delicious. This recipe freezes really well. I'll be putting it in this bowl and putting it in the freezer. And there'll be plenty more. I'll add it to this bowl. And you saw how quick that was. So all I'm going to do is just put the lids on these, put it in the freezer, and that way my husband will have stuff to eat while I'm gone, and he can stay home alone. I've also made his favorite, the chicken business. I have a video of the recipe already. I can't leave my husband home alone without chicken business. So he's got 2 bowls of chicken Alfredo, and I am making chicken business. And you have that video, and now you have the chicken Alfredo video. You're set. What else could you need? You know what would be great too? Add that with some fresh bread out of the oven. Add some seasoned green beans, and you've got a great dinner. I need to make a peach crisp. Okay, I have to show you guys how to make a peach crisp. It's basically just sugar and oatmeal. Put that over the peaches with some vanilla ice cream. It'll go with this Italian meal wonderfully. So, okay, until next time, bye and subscribe.